You know, I love looking at old metal and thinking about what it could be used for, and this is a good example. You see these louvers here? Well, I want to put an old hood on my Volkswagen convertible, and the hood I got picked out doesn't have louvers in it, but I could cut out these two sections and I could space them and I could weld them, cut out and weld them right into that hood and create a louvered out of something like that. So a lot of times I'll save stuff that I see. I just throw it in a metal pile. That's one reason I got this little space right here where the motor is sitting in there, because I can just kind of put steel things in there. That's actually a good example too. That stove top. If I wanted to build a piece of something and I needed the metal with a piece of metal with a nice round hole in it, that'd be ideal for it, you know. So we'll take that down and take that down. This part in here is the part I was talking about using for a like a wood box. There's a big metal box right there. I don't know what it looked like. One stand head looked pretty cool, so I'll just keep going. We'll just keep dismantling this thing. I'm saving all my little screws too.